Hey guys. Okay, I'll be honest. When I first saw the gaps forming between my laminate planks, my immediate reaction was, well, I guess I'm calling someone for labor quotes. They're not cheap. So when I stumbled on this floor gap fixer tool, I figured it was worth a shot before spending serious money. Now let me tell you, I am genuinely glad I bought it. Watch till the end so you can see how I actually use this in real time. I actually had about 6 or 7 gaps scattered across my living room, some of them pretty noticeable. So I tested my floor first to confirm that it was a floating floor, which this tool specifically requires, and then they make that clear up front so you don't skip that step. And then I got to work. The setup is dead simple. You just press the suction cup down, lock it, and tap the angled striking surface with a hammer. There's no gimmick. It really does push the plank forward and downward at the same time. So the gap actually closes instead of just shifting. I was skeptical, but it worked on the first try. Most gaps were gone in under a minute each. The iron body feels solid and serious. So this isn't a flimsy plastic tool that's going to crack after 2 uses. This silicone suction cup grips firmly without scratching my floor, and the felt pad on the striking surface kept things surprisingly quiet. My neighbor definitely didn't notice, so the noise wasn't that bad. So, because there's basically wasn't any. The kit also comes with 5 adhesive pads, which are great if your floor has any textures, and a gap cleaning blade to clear out the debris before you start. Everything you need is right in the box. No extra trips to the hardware store. 1 person operation. No kneeling down for periods of long time wrestling with spacers. No frustration. Just a clean, gap-free floor that looks like it was just installed. If you've been putting it off fixing your floating laminate or vinyl floors because it seems complicated or expensive, it is not. This tool is the reason why. I highly recommend this tool. I just wish I would have gotten it sooner.